Where are we? Let's see. Oh damn. We are in Doha, Qatar, visiting the famous museum. Oh, what a nice view from here. And hey, welcome back to the channel. And you know me, if you're not new to the channel, you know that I don't really talk that much. So once we go in, I'll just plug you guys with a very nice Arabic music. Enjoy the show, enjoy the music, and hey, please don't forget to like and subscribe, hey, share with your friends, and thank you for subscribing. There you go, click. That's it. Here I am in Doha, Qatar. I'm going to visit the museum. As you've seen already that the video is around 4 minutes to 5 minutes, let's just say 5 minutes tops. So I do believe that there's so much to do around the museum, but I was way behind of time and I just have to just do a quick stop in and out. But yeah, it is a really nice place. I did really enjoy a mini cave towards the end of the video. I feel like if you're gonna be visiting this place, you just need to check it out. For now, back to music. So my friend Pakresh wanted me to take pictures with almost anything, and by this time I was way too tired. Okay, that's him, you saw him. Yeah, but anyway, I was just way too tired for anything, pictures and videos and stuff, but I was excited to see the mini cave behind the museum. And back to the music, and again, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. I'm too dark, some of them won't be nice.
That's right there. That's right there. Nice view. Slowly, I take picture. Down and down.
Down?
Yeah, because the... Go, come here.
We just did a museum tour with Prakash.
Yes.
Take some nice pictures. Now I want to move to Qatar. I want to come stay here. What a beautiful country. And what a beautiful World Cup it was. So now we're going to the city and to the beach. And now let's see.